Hello everybody, this is your Devi ma'am. How are you all? Okay. In today's class, we are going to discuss conditional clauses. Anyway, before we start, what is a conditional? A conditional is a sentence with a condition and a result. Usually, these type of sentences start with the words you know very well. What are the words? If and when. Okay, right. Though there are many types of conditionals, we are going to focus on some few types. The reason is that is the basic. If you learn these types very well, you will be able to learn all the other types easily. Right. The first one is zero conditional, which refers to the true situations. That is, if you heat ice, it melts. It is a fact, right? Here, if class part, that is the conditional part, is with the simple present V1 form. And also the result part is with simple present form. We can also use like vice versa, that is, it melts if you heat ice. Okay, see this example. If you respect the planet, you recycle your rubbish. See the verb forms, respect, recycle. Both are in simple present, that is V1 form. Clear? Right. Now it's your turn. Write an example sentence. Dears, then and there you should note down the hints while observing this video. After completing this topic, you all have to take a photo and send me your notes through our WhatsApp group. Clear? Well, next we move on to first conditional, which refers to probable possible situations. See this example. If I study hard, I will pass my exams. The conditional part takes the V1 form, simple present form, and the resultant part is with will plus V1 form, right? So we can also write the sentence as I will pass my exams if I study hard. See the example. If we plant more trees, the forests will grow. Plant V1 form and the resultant part will take will plus V1, will grow. Okay, this is first conditional. Now it's your turn. Next, second conditionals, which are the result of improbable and imaginary situations. Here, the conditional part comes with the simple past form, that is V2 form, and we use would plus V1 in the result part. The condition part can also be followed by result part, as we saw in the above cases. Now see this example. If you went to space, you would need a space suit. Here the conditional part takes the verb went, V2, and the result part would plus need, that is would plus V1. Okay. This is an example with the were model. See this example. If I were an angel, I would help you. See the result part would plus V1. So this also comes under second conditional category. Alright, now this is your turn. Okay, the final type is third conditional, refers to a past situation that differs from reality. Here, condition part comes with had plus V3, that is past perfect term. And the result part comes with would have plus V3. Just observe this example. If I had done exercise, I would have felt stronger. Had done, had plus V3, which comes with would have plus V3. That's would have felt. Okay, clear? Now it's your turn. Okay, I hope you would understand. If any queries, send me voice message. I'll send some conditional clauses worksheet image. You complete it, take a photo and send to me by 7 o'clock today evening. Okay? However, we will succeed in this corona struggle. Fix and stick on your aim. Don't waste your time. Engage yourself in all academic activities. Stay safe. Thank you, everyone.